In this video, we're going to answer the question, how to pretty print a JSON file in Python. So first of all, you can do this with json.dumps, but you have to use the indent parameter, which is not something I'd done before researching this video. So I'm going to open up a sample JSON file, and I'm going to read that in using json.loads from the file.read parameter method here. And then simply print json.dumps, but add this indent equal, whatever you want. I put in 4 here, and you get this very nice, well laid out JSON format. Now, let me show you what happens when you just do dumps, which is what I've done in the past. It just all mushes together. No way to really see how this works. So much better format above. Hope you learned something. Smash that like button so I can help more people. Subscribe to this channel if you hadn't, and I'll see you in the next one.